Hi guys, welcome to my first crafting video. Today I will be showing you guys how I made these Minecraft fridge magnets. So yeah, let's get into it. I made 4 different variants. This one, of an axolotl, cake, this pufferfish. Oh, I bought these fridge magnets actually in Action. Action is like a store in the Netherlands and Belgium and maybe Germany, like Western Europe, and they sell like really cheap shit, but like everything basically, from like cleaning stuff to food to I don't know. It's such a good store, and it's one of those stores that you go in there and you're like from, oh, I just need this and this, and then you go in there and you come out with a million items. Well, this was one of those things. I saw in the craft aisle that they had these magnets. They were like shaped like a square, a round, and then the hearts. On the front side of the magnet they had a canvas. So I didn't really make the magnets, I just painted on them, but that's okay. My first idea was like to paint stuff on them that is in my fridge. So like try to make like a realistic painting of like a ketchup bottle and stuff like that. But it turned out so ugly. I didn't like it at all. And then I got reminded, because I was scrolling on Instagram, that I love it so much that people make all these Minecraft crafts. Like wall art and I don't know, people make such cool shit inspired by Minecraft. So I really want to do a Minecraft craft too. I made a grid on it, and the grids are like 1/2 centimeter by 1/2 centimeter. I based this on nothing, by the way. I just made the grid and then hope for the best. But maybe if you want to be smart about it, you could count the blocks on the image you want to make, and then yeah, think about it before you do it. Then I started painting it, and if I have one painting tip, use a primer or a top coat, because these little canvases, they were like, you know, the canvas texture is like, you know, it made it very hard to paint in the squares. So the squares are like, from a distance you're like, oh cute, wow, you did such a good job, but then when you look like closer, you can see that it's a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Finished it, I put a clear coat of resin on it, and I don't know what the resin does, but whenever I'm making a craft project and I'm like, I don't know about this one, maybe it looks a little bit shit, you put the resin over it and it makes it look so good. So yeah, I put the resin over it and it added like 10 million points, and now they look really professional and nice. And I use this UV resin, so it's like this stuff you put on it, and then you use a paintbrush over it. You use a UV light, and the UV light makes it go hard. That's what I did. I'm gonna show them one more time again. I don't know, that's basically it. It's not that hard of a craft, I guess. I think if you wanted to make these and you can't find these little canvas magnets, you could also buy like small canvases and just glue a magnet on the back side, and it will probably work better than these, because these magnets are not strong at all. Like I put them on my fridge and they're like, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I really enjoyed making it, and I want to start making videos about it. So if you guys could maybe leave me tips in the comments on what I could do better or different or whatever next time, that would really mean a lot to me. So thank you guys for watching. Show you how I put them on my fridge. That's a really added value to this video. Horse. Look at her. I think it's cute. Yay.